Alright, we're here with a member of the group. Got those A&UTV smoked out tail lights. Already got the modules attached to the back, so we wouldn't have to do it. And hopefully these just plug and play like the other ones. Hopefully that plugs all the way around. Are those not unplugged good? Yeah. Alright. Man, those are like $180 tail lights right there. Those factories. And those should just plug right up. Hang on. And that one just broke. Oh yeah. Clip's been on there a while. Stuck in their ways. Well, that thing just kind of broke off, and then kind of got lucky, I think. Yeah, that other one, I barely even touched it, and down. The little clips broke. I think it'll still hold though. Alright. Little factory clips broke right there, but I believe these will still stay intact. Keep that bulb in. Looks like you gotta reuse the reverse on this one. Alright, hold that for me, Big John. These should just hopefully bolt right back in. Clip right back in. There's one. There's two. And slide that bad boy in there. Hopefully those modules ain't hitting on the way. Might have to move. I brought a drill for those if we do. Hang on a second, John. Alright. Just push it down a little bit, and I'll push it down and you can pop the screws in it. Pretty easy fit. Looks good with the black 4-wheel drive there. Sugar Creek today. I was gonna do some riding, but it looks like I might be out because I got a one-way bearing going out. I'm gonna see what I can make happen though. I don't know if I can grease that thing up or what. Easy to install. You just take off your 2 bolts here, pull the light out, and then you pull your tail light out, unplug your 2 lights, and plug it right back into the other one. It's pretty much plug and play. But here's the factory on this side, and then look at the difference. Oh yeah, yes sir, that looks good. Yes sir, thank you for being part of the group and supporting the channel and the YouTube page and the group, man. It's gonna look good on that white truck. Can't wait to see them lit up. And thank you, A&UTV Pro.
Yes, sir.
We sure appreciate you. And this is how easy it is. Look at there. You just damn near do it by hand. Factory's a little stubborn. They don't want to come out too easy. Look at there. These clips are just a little rough on these factories. Spin your light out there or unplug it. You got to reuse that reverse light on this application. The reverse light is hell getting out of there. Ain't just the new ones, is it? It's just hard getting out anyway. There she goes. She just needs a little, just a little tug. Good packaging. I went ahead and attached the modules to the side of the lights there. They have those clips like we on the last set where you don't have to do that. But I didn't want to mess with those clips, and so we just self-tapped those little modules down just like on the last set. And these old clips here, they got a little dry rotted on us. So you're gonna have to get the windows tinted next. We need some smoked out headlights now, A&UTV Pro. Gotta match it up now. Hell yeah, it would. Alright, same deal here. We're just gonna plug them in. I'm not real good at that one-handed. I'll let you get that bottom one. Alright, and that middle reverse light is rough. Let's get it squeezed in there. Make that one in there a little better if we can get it turned. There she goes. There she goes. Got those little slide clips in there. Slides right on. We'll get our bolts back in there. That's how easy they are to install, and they look great. That's a massive tail light. Yeah, those are big, man. And we got a little shade here so we can see what these look like. And that easy. And we still got the brand new, well, basically brand new factories. Yes, sir. Oh man. Yeah, those are badass. I like the little two on the side, yep. That looks good. Let's see if this other one's wrong. Oh yeah, it's on and working. Got the two little indicators on the side there.
That goes off the hook, Bob.
Yeah, man. That's awesome. It's good. Change it up. Throw her in reverse for me. I don't know if you have to crank it or not to do that.
Turn the key on. You have to get in it.
reverse light on there. You can always get you an LED bulb too for those little reverse lights, and that'll give it that. But yeah, there she goes, man. Another great set of tail lights from A&UTV Pro, and happy to be able to give it to a member of the group and someone that's in the group and subscribe to the YouTube. And that's what we do, man. We have a good time, we ride, we meet good people and ride with good people and hook people up, man, and give back to the off-road community. So we appreciate you, A&UTV Pro, and I appreciate everybody that supports me. And let's ride.
Get it out the mud, baby.
Let's get it out the mud, baby. Let's go.